The pristine veneer of celebrity cooking was shattered this week as indie darling Parker Posey, known for her sharp wit and even sharper tongue, delivered a scathing critique of Meghan Markle's debut cooking show, With Love, Meghan. In a candid interview, Posey didn't mince words, labeling the show the apex of absurdity and a masterclass in performative kitchen cluelessness. This wasn't a gentle ribbing, this was a culinary evisceration, and it sent shockwaves through the entertainment world, igniting a firestorm of debate about the authenticity, or lack thereof, of Markle's foray into the culinary arts, Posey's core argument, and one that resonated with many online viewers. Focused on the perceived artificiality of Markle's approach. "It's not cooking," Posey stated, her voice dripping with disdain, "it's curated lifestyle performance. Every ingredient is strategically placed, every stir is choreographed, and the end result is a dish that looks more like a prop than actual food. It's like watching a perfectly staged Instagram feed come to life, but without the filters to hide the cracks." This critique hit a nerve, tapping into the growing sentiment that Markle's ventures, while visually appealing, often lacked genuine substance. Posey further elaborated, "Where's the passion? Where's the grit? Where's the actual struggle of creating something delicious? It's all so sterile. Like a cooking show designed by an algorithm that's only watched other cooking shows." Posey didn't just target Markle's cooking skills, she also took aim at the show's overall concept. "It's called With Love, Meghan, but where's the love?" she questioned. "It feels more like a carefully calculated brand extension than a genuine expression of passion. It's as if she's trying to sell us a lifestyle, not a recipe." This critique underscored the perception that Markle's ventures often blurred the lines between personal expression and commercial enterprise. The show's lavish production values, coupled with its emphasis on aspirational living, seemed to reinforce the idea that it was more about selling an image than sharing culinary knowledge. The controversy surrounding With Love, Meghan also reignited discussions about the role of celebrity in the culinary world. While many celebrities have successfully transitioned into the food industry, their success often hinges on authenticity and a genuine passion for cooking. Posey's critique suggested that Markle's approach lacked these essential qualities, relying instead on her star power and carefully crafted persona. "Cooking is an art," Posey concluded, "and like any art, it requires dedication, practice, and a genuine connection to the craft. What we're seeing here is a performance, not a passion." The backlash against Markle's show also opened a wider conversation about the public's appetite for manufactured perfection. In an era of social media filters and curated online personas, many viewers are yearning for authenticity and genuine connection. Posey's blunt assessment of With Love, Meghan resonated with this sentiment, offering a refreshing dose of unfiltered honesty in a world saturated with carefully constructed narratives. Whether Markle will address Posey's critique remains to be seen.